Hello. Now, good morning. Now the next topic is our method of preparation of haloalkane. Okay. The method of preparation of haloalkane. The first is from alcohol. The first is from alcohol. Now the alcohol means first by the action of halogen acid. By the action of halogen acid. Now the halogen acid is denoted by HX. Now see, when the R on OH, this is the alcohol. When ROH is reacted with the halogen acid, it forms alkyl halide and water. Now first HX, first by the action of halogen acid. This is the group reagent. What is group reagent? What is group reagent? The concentrated HCl plus anhydrous zinc chloride. The mixture is called group reagent. When alcohol is reacted with this acid in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride, it form RCl plus zinc chloride. Now to see the difference between primary acid, this reaction is used to differentiate between primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. This reaction is used to differentiate between primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Now the primary alcohol, I have taken one CH2Cl. Suppose I have one primary alcohol. Okay, it is reacted with the HCl in the presence of same reaction. For same reaction, okay, this is the primary and this is the secondary alcohol and this is the tertiary alcohol. Okay, this is the tertiary alcohol. Now primary reaction is done. This is the in the presence of zinc chloride, means at normal, not room temperature, you have to heat the form same product, that is LCl plus zinc chloride. But secondary is also takes place, means you have to heat sometime, and is present of zinc chloride. But tertiary alkyl halide, its reaction done very easily, means simple you shake this concentrated HCl, simple then you shake with concentrated HCl at room temperature, है ना, and room temperature it form tertiary halide, means reaction is very fast with the tertiary, then secondary with primary. ठीक है, tertiary के साथ reaction is very fast, then secondary और primary के साथ very slow. This is also called group reagent, or it is also called, this is the Lewis. What is the role of anhydrous zinc chloride? What is the role of anhydrous zinc chloride? It acts as a catalyst. It cleaves the ROH bond. This bond it cleaves the R and carbon and oxygen bond. ठीक है? This is also called Lucas reagent. ठीक है? Group process, it is also called Lucas reagent. Now second है, if you take bromine means reaction is very fast with the HI, then HBr, और slow होती है with HCl. ठीक है, fast with the HI, then HBr, then Cl. It is take clear of 48%. You have to take in HI. You will take how many percentage? That is near about 57% H and 57%. ठीक है, the reaction is very fast with the HI, then HBr and Cl. Or if you take chloride, the reaction is very fast with the tertiary, then secondary and then primary. This is the first reaction by the action of halogen acid. Okay. Now the second reaction, this is a group process. You can sell the group process. This is called Lucas reagent. This is also called Lucas reagent. Okay, tertiary is very fast, then secondary and primary. Reaction with the alcohol. Okay, now take the screenshot fast. Now I am just take the screenshot fast. Okay, now second आपका आता है, then reaction with, it is given a NCERT refresher. It is given reaction. ठीक है, now second reaction, when you react with PCl5 or PCl3, in a short way I can write this. The reaction with PCl5, and PCl3 and thionyl chloride. ठीक है, what happened when alcohol reacted with the PCl5, या RCl फॉर्म बनेगा, then PuCl3 plus HCl. It is compulsory PuCl3 plus HCl form, but PCl3 reaction RCl and H3PO3. This is the phosphoric acid, and POC3, that is RCl plus SO2 plus HCl. This is the reaction. आपको ध्यान रखना है कि ये रिएक्शन आपको ध्यान रखना है कि when alcohol react with the PCl5, this is the side product and this is the main product alkyl halide. Okay, this is the reaction alcohol SO2Cl2 or with PCl3. And एक और one reaction is if you take halogen acid in the presence of red phosphorus. In the presence of red phosphorus, if you take Cl2, the product is RCl. ठीक है, जनरली प्रोडक्ट जो होते हैं, वी आर फॉर्म दिस प्रोडक्ट मीन्स chloride and bromide are formed by this reaction. Generally chloride and bromide are formed by this reaction. Okay, chloride and bromide are formed. Then reaction with the, yes, you have noted down the reaction. Okay, next reaction है alcohol mixed from alkane. ध्यान रखिएगा, from नेक्स्ट है आपकी रिएक्शन, इसमें हम ले सकते हैं from alkane, that is the substitution reaction. From alkane, if you are taking like CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, react with chlorine in the presence of sunlight. This is the substitution reaction. Substitution means one hydrogen is replaced by the chlorine. The one product is CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH2Cl. One chlorobutane. And another product is there is a second type of carbon is there. There's it having two hydrogen. So this is a mixture of compound are formed. ये आपके CHCl then CH3. This is a mixture of compound means types, so depends on the types of carbon, that is one kind of CH2 and one kind of CH3. Then a mixture of compound is formed. Substitution reaction, hydrogen of haloalkane is replaced by the one halogen atom. Okay, now the reaction, it is very important. Next reaction is from alkene. If you see, if you study in 11th class, this is a symmetrical alkene. What is the meaning of symmetrical alkene? There are two alkene means having same hydrogen. When you cut from by the double bond, the two same type of carbon is formed. Reacted with the halogen acid. ध्यान रखिएगा, reacted with the halogen acid in symmetrical alkene, hydrogen can attach in any carbon. So then the product is H तो लगा हुआ था, आपने यहाँ पर Br लगा दिया और डबल बॉन्ड हटा के यहाँ पर क्या लगा दिया, 8H, that is 1 bromoethane. The product is 1 bromoethane. यहाँ कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है कि आप हाइड्रोजन को इस कार्बन से लगाएं या हाइड्रोजन को इस कार्बन से लगाएं, because both carbon is same. In symmetrical alkene, when you add the hydrogen chloride, hydrogen can attach in any one of type carbon. But when you take unsymmetrical, that is, this is the unsymmetrical alkene, because in unsymmetrical alkene, double bonded carbon having two types, one having CH3 और एक है unbalanced है ये. अब इसमें जब आप हाइड्रोजन हैलाइड का एडिशन कराते हो तो यहाँ पर डिपेंड करता है मार्कोनी-कॉब रूल एंड एंटी मार्कोनी-कॉब रूल के अकॉर्डिंग होता है. ध्यान रखिएगा, ये एग्जाम में आता है, तो आपको ध्यान रखना है कंपाउंड कितना भी खतरनाक टाइप का दे दे, आपको कंफ्यूज, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज, ठीक है, क्योंकि ये आपको ध्यान रखना है कि टारगेट क्या है और आपको तीर कहाँ मारना है. तो आपने HBr देते हैं, एडिशन ऑफ HBr देते हैं मीन्स प्लस HBr दे देते हैं, और आपको ऐसे ही प्लस HBr देते हैं, बट यहाँ पर कोई पेरोक्साइड लिख दिया है. पेरोक्साइड आपका कोई भी हो सकता है, लाइक बेंजाइल पेरोक्साइड भी दे सकते हैं, ऐसा